Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The brahmachari is supposed to remain in Gurukul up to the 25th year. He's still not. Then if Guru finds him that he requires to be married, then he goes home and is married. Otherwise, the teaching is to remain brahmachari throughout the whole life. There is no need of entering because this human life is meant for God realization. It is not meant for sex enjoyment or sense gratification. It is simply meant for, here is an opportunity to understand one's constitutional position, that he is spirit soul, and Krishna and the Supreme Lord is also spirit soul. So the spirit soul, individual soul, is part and parcel of Krishna. Therefore it is his duty to remain with the whole. Just like a mechanical part, a screw in a typewriter machine. If the screw remains with the machine, then it has got value. And if the screw remains without the machine, it has no value. Who cares for a small screw? But when that screw is wanting in a machine, you go to purchase, they will charge $5. Why? When it is fixed up with the machine, it has got value. There are so many examples. That's the parts of the fire. When the fire is burning, you'll find a small particle of spark. It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful because it is with the fire. And as soon as the spark falls down out of the fire, then it has no value. Nobody cares for that. It is finished. Similarly, so long we are with Krishna, being part and parcel of Krishna, we have got value. And as soon as we are out of Krishna touch, then we have no value. We should understand that. So how to keep oneself always with Krishna, that is the aim of human life. And if you do not do that, that is sinful, then you become punishable. That you are given the chance to understand yourself, Krishna, and your relationship with Krishna. You did not take this chance, he is punished, all right, you become again in the cycle of birth and death. So we should be very, very careful. Do not think that we are independent and we can do whatever nonsense I like. That is very risky. Do not think that foolishly. There is a regular, there is Yamaraj, because we are sons of Krishna, where Krishna wants that these my sons, rascals, are suffering in this material world, let them come back home. Therefore he comes personally. Yada yada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata tadatmanam srijamaham. He deserves that. That these rascals, they are rotting in this material world, birth after birth, let them come back. Because he is more affectionate. And if he does not utilize this human form of life to take the advantage of going back to home, back to God, that is sinful. Then he is punished. So the conclusion is that everyone should take to this Krishna consciousness movement, otherwise he is awaiting punishment by Jamaraj. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna